Head to Tricolors and sign up for an account. Click My Palettes on the left menu. Now navigate to the color mixer by clicking New. Click the little wheel icon on the bottom left and turn the CMYK plus W option on. Add the primary colors cyan, magenta, and yellow to the palette, changing their names to primary blue, red, and yellow. You can already create the secondary colors violet, orange, and green too. You can do that by mixing equal parts of two primary colors. You can double-check the color codes by clicking Show Palette. Again, don't forget to rename your primary and secondary colors. You can do that by clicking on each color at the top, then clicking on the small icon besides the color name. There is a total of 6 primary and secondary colors: blue, red, yellow, plus violet, orange, and green. You may have noticed that we have only 5 here. We forgot to create the green secondary color. Let's create it now. Remember, you can create each secondary color by mixing equal parts of 2 primary colors. Green is the result of mixing equal parts of blue and yellow. You can now create the tertiary colors. You usually do that by combining equal parts of 1 primary color and 1 secondary color. You achieve the same result by combining 3 parts of 1 primary color with 1 part of any other primary color. When a new color is created and added, it will show up in the palette at the top. As you create each tertiary color, move it to its right place between each primary and secondary colors. You can do that by selecting the color and clicking on the small arrow icon on the top left side of the color pane. When you're done, change their names to blue-violet, red-violet, red-orange, yellow-orange, yellow-green, and blue-green. Whereas blue-violet is 3 parts of primary blue and 1 part of primary red, red-violet is 3 parts of primary red and 1 part of primary blue. When naming tertiary colors, the name of the primary color used comes first, followed by a dash. You can then add the name of the secondary color that you used. Red-orange is 3 parts of primary red and 1 part of primary yellow, whereas yellow-orange is 3 parts of primary yellow and 1 part of primary red. When you're done creating the tertiary red-orange and yellow-orange, don't forget to rename and move them to their right place between primary red, secondary yellow, and primary yellow. Yellow-green is 3 parts of primary yellow and 1 part of primary blue, whereas blue-green is 3 parts of primary blue and 1 part of primary yellow. When you're done creating them, don't forget to rename and move the tertiary colors yellow-green and blue-green to their right place between primary yellow, secondary green, and primary blue. By the time you finished adding and mixing the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, there should be a total of 12 colors in your palette. 3 primary colors, blue, red, and yellow, 3 secondary colors, violet, orange, and green, and 6 tertiary colors, blue, violet, red, orange, yellow, green, and blue-green. Now click Show Palette. Then click Create and insert Primary, Secondary, Tertiary, where it says Palette Name. In the top right, click both Copy Link and Export as PDF to save the resulting palette in PDF format. When you're done downloading the PDF file, upload it here and pass the copied link into the comments section.